Good hygiene is more than just a daily habit, it's a cornerstone of health and longevity. The way we care for our bodies can have a profound impact on our overall well-being and quality of life. Maintaining cleanliness in key areas may seem simple, but it holds the potential to prevent infections, enhance confidence, and even add years to your life. Focusing on 5 specific areas of the body, your hands, feet, armpits, neck, and intimate areas, can lead to significant health benefits. These areas are often overlooked in daily routines, but play a vital role in protecting against illnesses and maintaining comfort as we age. Proper hygiene in these regions not only prevents physical discomfort, but also fosters a sense of self-respect and dignity. In this video, we'll share the stories of individuals like Mr. Ravi and Aunt Rose, who discovered the importance of hygiene through personal experiences. Backed by medical insights, their lessons highlight how small, consistent habits can bring about significant improvements in health. By the end of this video, you'll have practical, actionable steps to integrate these hygiene practices into your daily routine. Whether it's preventing a common infection or boosting your confidence, these simple acts of self-care can transform your overall well-being. Let's delve into these 5 essential habits that are crucial for a healthier, longer life. 1. The importance of clean hands. Regular hand washing is a simple yet essential practice that significantly reduces the spread of harmful bacteria and viruses. Hands are constantly exposed to germs from surfaces, food, and daily interactions. Without proper hygiene, these microbes can easily enter the body, leading to illnesses such as food poisoning, diarrhea, and respiratory infections. Scientific studies have demonstrated that effective hand hygiene can decrease the risk of diarrhea-related diseases by up to 40% and respiratory infections by 20%. This small habit has a substantial impact on both individual and community health. Beyond physical health, clean hands contribute to a sense of cleanliness and personal care, fostering overall well-being. Mr. Ravi, a retired teacher known for his sharp intellect, overlooked the importance of washing his hands. Believing his hands were clean if no visible dirt was present, he often ate without washing them. Over time, he began experiencing frequent stomach aches and bouts of diarrhea. Frustrated and confused, he visited a doctor who explained that unwashed hands were transferring harmful bacteria into his system. Determined to improve his health, Mr. Ravi adopted a new habit: washing his hands thoroughly with soap before meals and after certain activities. Within weeks, his stomach issues disappeared, and he felt healthier and more energized. Wash your hands with soap and water for at least 20 seconds, ensuring you scrub all parts of your hands, including between fingers and under nails. Use hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol when soap and water aren't available. Make hand hygiene a family habit, teaching children and adults alike the importance of this practice. By following these steps, you can protect yourself and those around you from a wide range of preventable illnesses. Mr. Ravi's story is a powerful reminder that small actions can lead to significant health benefits. 2. The hidden danger of unwashed feet. Our feet endure significant stress every day, coming into contact with dirt, moisture, and bacteria. Neglecting proper foot hygiene creates an ideal environment for infections, including fungal issues like athlete's foot. For older adults, reduced circulation and thinner skin increase the risk of complications, making foot care even more essential. Neglected feet can lead to fungal infections, redness, peeling skin, and even chronic pain or reduced mobility. Conditions like these not only cause discomfort, but can also affect daily activities and overall quality of life. Proper foot hygiene supports mobility, prevents infections, and ensures long-term independence. Grandma Lynn, an avid gardener in her golden years, loved working barefoot in her garden, enjoying the connection to nature. However, over time, she noticed redness, itching, and peeling skin on her feet. What began as a minor irritation developed into a painful fungal infection, making it difficult for her to walk or continue gardening. After consulting her doctor, Grandma Lynn learned that her condition stemmed from poor foot hygiene. She started washing her feet daily with soap, thoroughly drying them, especially between her toes, and wearing breathable shoes while gardening. Within weeks, her infection healed, and she regained her mobility and joy in gardening. Daily cleaning. Wash your feet thoroughly with soap and warm water, ensuring you scrub gently to remove dirt and bacteria. Dry completely. Pat your feet dry with a clean towel, paying extra attention to the spaces between your toes to prevent fungal growth. Moisturize. Apply a lightweight, non-greasy moisturizer to prevent cracks, but avoid over-moisturizing between the toes. Choose breathable footwear. Opt for shoes made from materials that allow airflow and avoid prolonged use of damp or sweaty shoes. By following these simple steps, you can maintain healthy, comfortable feet just like Grandma Lynn did. Clean and well-cared-for feet are essential for mobility, comfort, and overall well-being. 3. The often neglected armpits. The armpits are one of the body's most active sweat zones, providing an ideal environment for bacteria to thrive. Sweat itself is odorless, but when it mixes with bacteria, it can lead to unpleasant smells and even skin irritation. Neglecting armpit hygiene can cause discomfort, rashes, and a loss of confidence, particularly for older adults whose skin becomes more sensitive with age. Regularly cleaning the armpits helps prevent the buildup of sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells, reducing the risk of rashes, infections, and unpleasant odors. Maintaining armpit hygiene enhances comfort, skin health, and self-esteem, ensuring individuals feel fresh and confident in their interactions. Uncle Joe, a warm and social individual, gradually let his hygiene routine slip after the passing of his wife. Family members began noticing a persistent odor during visits, but no one mentioned it initially. Over time, Uncle Joe also developed painful rashes under his arms, which made basic movements uncomfortable. After his daughter gently encouraged him to visit a doctor, Uncle Joe learned that neglecting his armpit hygiene had caused the issues. He began washing his armpits daily with mild soap, thoroughly drying them after cleaning, and avoiding harsh scrubbing. Within days, the odor vanished, the rashes healed, and Uncle Joe regained his confidence, re-engaging socially with family and friends. Daily cleaning. Wash armpits daily with a gentle, fragrance-free soap to remove sweat, bacteria, and dead skin cells. Thorough drying. After washing, pat the area dry with a clean towel to prevent moisture buildup, which can lead to irritation or fungal infections. Avoid harsh scrubbing. Use gentle motions to clean the skin and avoid excessive force, which can cause irritation. Use suitable products. If necessary, apply a gentle deodorant or antiperspirant that is appropriate for sensitive skin. Taking care of your armpits isn't just about avoiding odors, it's about maintaining healthy, irritation-free skin and boosting your confidence, just like Uncle Joe did. 4. The sensitive area around the neck. The neck is an often overlooked part of daily hygiene, especially in older adults. Sweat, dirt, and oils can easily accumulate in the folds of the neck, creating a perfect environment for fungal infections, redness, and discomfort. Neglecting this sensitive area can lead to skin irritation, which, if left untreated, can worsen over time. Regularly cleaning the neck, particularly its folds, ensures healthy, smooth skin and reduces the risk of fungal infections and long-term irritation. Good neck hygiene can prevent minor discomforts from escalating into more serious conditions and also improve overall comfort and confidence. Aunt Rose, a stylish woman in her 70s, began experiencing itching and red patches around her neck folds. At first, she ignored the irritation, thinking it was caused by her jewelry or scarves. Over time, the redness worsened, and she consulted her doctor, who diagnosed a fungal infection caused by sweat and dirt trapped in her neck folds. The doctor recommended gently cleaning her neck daily with soap and water, drying it thoroughly, and applying a light moisturizer to keep the skin healthy. Within weeks, the irritation cleared, and Aunt Rose felt much more comfortable. She also made neck care a regular part of her hygiene routine and began educating her friends about its importance. Daily cleaning. Use a mild soap and lukewarm water to gently cleanse the neck, focusing on any folds where sweat and oils can accumulate. Thorough drying. After washing, ensure the neck is completely dry, especially in the folds, to prevent moisture buildup that can lead to fungal growth. Moisturize. Apply a light, non-greasy moisturizer to keep the skin hydrated and prevent cracking or irritation. Incorporate into routine. Make cleaning and caring for your neck an intentional part of your daily hygiene routine. By adopting these simple steps, you can prevent discomfort and maintain smooth, healthy skin, just like Aunt Rose. 5. Intimate areas and their health. Proper hygiene of intimate areas is essential for maintaining overall health and preventing infections, such as urinary tract infections, UTIs, and skin irritations. As we age, decreased immunity and increased skin sensitivity make these areas more prone to discomfort and infection if not cared for properly. Neglecting intimate hygiene can lead to recurring infections, discomfort, and a decrease in quality of life. Maintaining cleanliness not only ensures physical health, but also preserves dignity and confidence, which are crucial for emotional well-being, especially in later years. Mr. Bernard, an independent 80-year-old, started experiencing frequent discomfort and a burning sensation while urinating. Embarrassed, he delayed seeking help until the problem worsened. Eventually, he consulted a doctor who diagnosed him with a UTI caused by poor hygiene practices. The doctor reassured him and recommended simple changes: daily washing with lukewarm water, avoiding harsh soaps, and wearing breathable fabrics. These small adjustments significantly improved Mr. Bernard's health and comfort, restoring his confidence and independence. Daily cleaning. Wash intimate areas daily using lukewarm water and mild, non-irritating soap to remove sweat and bacteria. Avoid harsh products. Steer clear of harsh soaps, chemical-based products, or abrasive scrubbing, as these can irritate sensitive skin. Breathable fabrics. Opt for breathable, cotton-based fabrics for underwear and clothing to allow proper air circulation and prevent moisture buildup. Change regularly. Change underwear and clothing daily to maintain cleanliness and avoid trapping bacteria. Consult when needed. Seek medical advice for persistent discomfort, as early intervention can prevent serious complications. By incorporating these habits into your routine, you can protect against infections, ensure long-term comfort, and maintain dignity and confidence. Mr. Bernard's story reminds us that proper, intimate hygiene is not only a matter of health, but also of self-respect and quality of life. Conclusion. Caring for your body starts with simple hygiene habits, and focusing on 5 key areas: hands, feet, armpits, neck, and intimate regions, can have a profound impact on your health. These areas are often overlooked, yet they play a crucial role in preventing infections, maintaining confidence, and supporting longevity. The stories of individuals like Mr. Ravi, Grandma Lynn, Uncle Joe, Aunt Rose, and Mr. Bernard remind us that these small actions are not trivial. They are essential for overall well-being. Small, consistent hygiene practices can transform your quality of life. Clean hands reduce the risk of illnesses, well-maintained feet support mobility, clean armpits prevent irritation and odor, a cared-for neck avoids discomfort, and proper intimate hygiene ensures dignity and health. These habits not only enhance physical health, but also contribute to emotional confidence and independence, especially as we age. Start integrating these hygiene practices into your daily routine today. Washing your hands thoroughly, cleaning and drying your feet, maintaining your armpits, caring for your neck, and ensuring intimate hygiene can collectively safeguard your health and add years to your life. Share these tips with your loved ones to inspire healthier habits and help others experience the benefits of mindful self-care. Remember, the path to a healthier, longer life begins with small steps. Embrace these habits as a way to honor and care for your body, ensuring that you enjoy vitality, confidence, and independence for years to come. Together, let's commit to making these simple but impactful practices a part of our daily lives.